with this free Carriot Jeulia ring, do me the honours and make me the happiest man on earth. And be my Mrs. Mackenzie.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another exciting video because we are going to unbox some jewelry pieces from Jeulia Jewelry, since at the moment they are doing their Jeulia summer holiday sale. We have a special participation of Daddy Mike here.
Hi guys.
Actually, it's his 42nd birthday today, so everyone greet him happy birthday.
Thank you. There's a present.
Yeah, we have it in this box, guys. To be honest, Daddy do the honor of opening the box for us. I received this box probably 2 weeks ago now, and I got sick and I was not able to film it. I really believe that there's a reason for everything. So yeah, I thought that this is going to be like a perfect time to unbox this, because one of the items inside this box is for Daddy Mike for his birthday.
Thanks, Jeulia.
Thanks, Jeulia. There's another one, Daddy. So we have 3 little boxes here. They all have Jeulia printed on them. So I don't know, 2 of them are mine and 1 is for Daddy Mike. So I don't know, we'll just have to eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Who's going first?
What do you do it, Mom? You choose. Which one do you think is yours? Let's see.
What do I get if it's right? What?
The ring. Oh my god!
I'll be claiming that prize tonight.
I hope that fits, Daddy. What size is that one?
Size 13.
13?
Yeah, I got big fingers, man. Yeah, they say about big fingers.
So Daddy chose this one, guys.
Ooh.
I showed him Julia's website, and yeah, Julia's website's got everything, guys. Every style, every color.
Yeah, because once you go black, you never go back, see?
Hey, show Daddy like closer. Is it just plain black?
Sure.
You take it off? Oh, no, I shouldn't do it because they said we're gonna fight if I take it off someone else's finger. Is that too big?
It's fine. So as you can see, just a plain black fun ring.
How good was that, guys? Like, Daddy chose that box and he's got his ring. And who's this?
Thanks, Jeulia.
Oh, see this one? Auntie Paris is still wearing this. This is also from Jeulia from their previous collection. And this is personalized. We'll just show you
Again.
since she's here now. Look. A family photo here and this sibling photo. That's so cute. And she loves wearing them. Let's open the second ring. Show it here, Baba.
The box again. The back.
Give it to Daddy now. Daddy gonna propose to me again.
Again?
Okay.
Again? Yeah, you proposed to me once, so you're gonna propose to me again.
Twice.
Ooh, oh my god, look at that!
Okay, where's your...
Can I see it? I didn't know it.
How big is the stone? This is
Sorry.
the one of the 2 rings that I got from Jeulia. And oh my god, how big is this stone?
Okay.
It's so big. This is, I believe, the 3 carat, and it's in the oval shape, which I love. And there's also stones, little stones on the side, as you can see. Same on the other side, and it's got like the hidden halo on here. And I got the size 5.5 on this one. So remember last time it was 5.5 and it was really tight, but that was because the band was so thick. So this is skinnier. band. So it says here not returnable if this tag is removed. We don't need to return anyway, so we will remove it now so that he can do his thing.
With this free Carriot Jeulia ring, do me the honours and make me the happiest man on earth, and be my Mrs. Mackenzie. Smooth.
Should I say yes?
Yeah.
To daddy?
Yeah, yeah.
You sure?
Well, if you don't, I'll take my kids with me. So hurry up. Say yes.
Oh my goodness, look at that ring.
Yes.
Thanks, Jeulia. You cemented it for me.
Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, guys.
So yes.
Wow.
Oh my god. Hala, I feel
Brilliant.
yes, it is blinging. I feel like $1 million with wearing this. When I laugh, guys, when I go outside I laugh.
Mama,
Sure.
say yes, say yes.
Yes, then.
Yay.
No. Oh, that is so beautiful. I'm so excited for the next one. So, at the Paris, can you open the next ring for mommy?
Last ring.
Oh my god.
Last
Come on,
ring.
Ati. Your turn.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
Yeah, I'll open it for you.
Oh wow, that ring is blinding my eyes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so rich. You're so rich. You're so rich.
Shine it in my teeth.
Ready?
Wow, this is crazy. See, I told you about the size. 5.5 and it fits me really, really well. Wow, wow, wow.
Can you see me?
Look at that. Yeah, and for anyone who is planning to propose, you know where to go. Jeulia.com.
Okay, that's good.
Oh wow! I remember that now. Oh, this second ring, guys. You will look like Heart Evangelista. I think like Heart's got one. The same. You know Heart then?
Will I look like her husband
Mama, do you want me,
Cheese.
with this
Mama, do you
one?
want me to take this off?
Yes, please, honey. How do you pronounce that, Daddy?
Which one? Bob, come on, it's Jeulia te amo moi.
Oh, what?
Jeulia, toi, et
Moi.
moi.
Radiant and pear cut sterling
look,
silver
you gotta say
ring.
this.
Oh my god, look at this. Ah, seriously, Heart Evangelista talaga yung datingan nito. Look at that!
So this the Jeulia, toi, et moi, radiant and haircut sterling silver
Toi
ring.
et moi.
Et
Toi et
moi.
moi. What's that, Daddy? French?
Paris.
Oh my god, yes. Hala!
Now she's divorced me and she's got a new a new one.
Oh my god, what do you think that is?
I think it's Merci beaucoup.
What's that?
I think it's
Merci beaucoup is thank you, Daddy, is it?
yeah, it's thank you. I think it's bougie.
The stones are really big. Look at that. See? Maybe, do you think that's for there, Daddy? Maybe I can put it somewhere else. Oh, maybe I can put it here. Take this off.
Yeah.
Ako na talaga si Annabelle Rama. Look. Do you reckon that looks better there?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Hala. Yusala, but if I wear my other one, that is too much.
You look like Imelda Marcos now.
I love both rings, guys. They're super duper beautiful. Do you love yours, Daddy?
Yeah. I feel like a new man.
It's titanium. It will be really scary if I wear this in Philippines, Daddy.
Yeah. They'll think you're the next president.
But here in Australia, guys, like people really don't care. But yeah, I think like there's too much stone on my hand.
No, it looks good.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. I love it. Hello.
Those who are looking for gifts to someone, like, you know, for special occasions and that, yeah, it's definitely. Do you reckon, Eddie? This is...
Oh, 100% worth considering. I would gladly come back and buy more from
As
them.
always, guys, we have our 15% off promo code.
Wow.
Special code. Just use the code JOVE15 and you will get 15% off the total of your purchase. So I'll put the link of these 3 rings in the comment section below. If you want the same rings like mine and Daddy Mike's, then if you want twinning, you can always check out the description box below and it will have all the information that you need. But that's about it for today's unboxing, guys. Once again, I love the products as always. I'm always impressed with the quality and the styles of their products, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to see it for yourself, guys, make sure to jump onto their website. It's www.jeulia.com.
And that's Jeulia, Jeulia.
That's correct. Before we wrap it up, guys, I just want to quickly show you what's inside the box when you purchase something from Jeulia. It's special because they've got this little paper bag here. What else have we got there, honey? Greeting card. Yeah, if you know, for example, I give it to Daddy Mike. Here you go, Daddy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
A
message.
little clock, so you can make sure you keep my titanium, and in your case, these 3-carat diamond rings shining.
Yep. And what else? They've got the booklet. And what else have we got?
Ooh. And yeah, a little thank you card for our purchase with some more great deals if we come back and buy more again, which I'm sure we will.
That brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Bye.
bye.